Think your home has everything it needs? Think again. These 30 genius and budget-friendly Amazon gadgets are here to blow your mind. From problem-solving must-haves to clever space savers, each one is designed to level up your everyday life. Get ready to fall in love with home upgrades you didn't even know existed. Introducing our collapsible water bottle, a perfect blend of functionality and style designed for the modern lifestyle. Its flexible, space-saving design folds neatly for easy storage, making it ideal for travel, outdoor adventures, or daily commutes. Enjoy effortless hydration wherever you go with this eco-friendly and durable companion that adapts to your every need. Tired of drilling and damaging your walls? This suction cup hanging hook holder is your no-fuss solution. It sticks firmly to smooth surfaces like tiles, glass, and mirrors. No tools needed. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or even your closet. It holds your essentials with ease and can be repositioned anytime. Simple, smart, and super handy. Say goodbye to messy closets with this foldable clothes storage box. Designed to maximize space, it's perfect for organizing seasonal wear, linens, or kids' clothes. The collapsible design makes it easy to store when not in use, and the clear window lets you see what's inside at a glance. A neat, clutter-free home starts here. Keep your food fresh and your kitchen eco-friendly with these reusable food storage freezer bags, featuring a secure zipper seal. They're perfect for storing snacks, veggies, meats, or leftovers. Durable, leak-proof, and easy to clean. These bags are a smart alternative to single-use plastics, saving you money while protecting the planet. Introducing our innovative flexible cutting board sheet with built-in sliding cutter, the ultimate kitchen companion for effortless preparation. Engineered for versatility, this cutting board features a user-friendly sliding cutter that streamlines slicing, dicing, and chopping, making meal prep quick and convenient. Its flexible design ensures easy cleanup and storage while enhancing your culinary creativity. Elevate your cooking experience with this essential tool that perfectly combines functionality and modern design. Keep your precious accessories organized and tangle-free with this 5-layer plastic jewelry storage box, designed with multiple compartments and a space-saving vertical build. It's perfect for storing rings, earrings, bracelets, and more. Its transparent design makes it easy to find what you need at a glance. Stylish, compact, and a total game-changer for jewelry lovers. Say goodbye to foot pain with this Bunion Corrector, designed to gently realign your toes and provide relief from discomfort. Whether you're relaxing or on the move, its ergonomic and breathable design ensures maximum comfort and support. A simple yet effective solution to improve foot posture and make every step feel better. Keep your kitchen clean and your oil reusable with this oil strainer pot. Featuring a fine mesh filter, it easily separates food particles from used oil, making it perfect for storage and reuse. A must-have tool for smart and efficient cooking. Say goodbye to painful blisters with these blister bandages for feet. Designed with hydrocolloid technology, they provide instant relief, reduce friction, and speed up healing. Their waterproof and breathable material ensures all-day comfort, whether you're walking, running, or just on the go. A perfect fix for every step you take. Make outdoor cooking effortless with this foldable butane camping stove. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly easy to use. It's perfect for backpacking, hiking, or emergency kits. Its high heat output and windproof design ensure quick, even cooking anywhere you go. Fold it, pack it, and fire it up wherever adventure calls. Introducing our portable foldable vegetable peeler, a must-have for culinary enthusiasts on the go. Its compact, innovative design folds effortlessly for convenient storage, while the ultra-sharp blades ensure precise and efficient peeling every time. Elevate your food preparation experience with this blend of practicality and style, making everyday cooking both quick and enjoyable. Short on space but big on laundry? Meet the portable mini washing machine, your compact solution for quick, hassle-free cleaning. Whether you're in a dorm, apartment, RV, or just need a backup, this little powerhouse saves time, water, and effort. It's lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for small loads, baby clothes, or delicates. No more hand washing or waiting for laundry day. Just plug it in, press start, and let it do the dirty work for you. Hate making your bed every morning? The Bed Maker tool is here to save time and effort. This clever gadget helps you tuck sheets perfectly in seconds. No lifting, no hassle. Ideal for all bed types. It keeps your space neat and hotel tidy with zero stress. Make beds smarter, not harder. Say goodbye to pesky lint with our reusable lint roller, the eco-friendly secret to flawless outfits. Its sticky, easy-to-clean surface removes pet hair, fuzz, and dust in seconds. Compact and durable, it's perfect for on-the-go touch-ups, ensuring you always look your best without waste. Experience effortless grooming and sustainable style today. Tired of frayed charging cables? Discover the Silicone Charge Cable Protector, made from premium, flexible silicone. It wraps snugly around your cables to prevent wear and tear while adding a pop of style. Effortlessly durable and easy to install, it's your go-to accessory for long-lasting, tangle-free charging. Upgrade your cable game today. Beat the heat on the go with our portable air conditioner cooling fan. Combining powerful airflow with energy efficiency, it delivers cool, refreshing air wherever you are. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for home, office, or outdoor gatherings. Experience whisper quiet performance, easy setup, and instant comfort. Stay cool and beat the heat anytime, anywhere. Discover the ultimate solution for drying clothes with this wall-mounted collapsible drying rack. Designed to maximize space and efficiency, it folds away neatly when not in use. Perfect for apartments, laundry rooms, or compact spaces. It securely holds clothes and ensures even drying. Upgrade your laundry routine with this space-saving, stylish, and convenient drying solution. Upgrade your bathroom organization with our suction cup towel bar organizer with hanging hooks. It effortlessly attaches to tiles or glass, providing a convenient spot for towels, robes, and accessories. Its strong, reliable suction cups hold hooks securely while saving precious space, ensuring your essentials are always within reach. Experience an instant, stylish, and clutter-free makeover today. Upgrade your mealtime on the go with our insulated stackable food container, designed to keep your food hot for hours. Its smart stackable design saves space in your bag and fridge. Enjoy leak-proof, durable performance with a touch of style, perfect for work lunches, picnics, or home dining. Say goodbye to clogged drains with our disposable shower drain hair catcher mesh strainer sticker. Simple yet effective. Just peel and stick onto your drain. It catches hair and debris effortlessly, keeping water flowing freely and saving you costly plumbing costs. Ideal for quick fixes or travel. It's a must-have for every shower, ensuring a hassle-free bathroom experience every day. Revamp your laundry day with our foldable socks drying hanging hanger, designed for space efficiency and improved airflow. It dries your socks and delicate garments quickly and neatly. It's easy to use. Foldable design saves space while keeping your essentials organized. Enjoy faster drying times and a hassle-free routine every time you hang it up. Discover Micro-Line Dental Floss Picks, your new essential for superior oral care. Crafted with ultra-thin, high-strength floss, these picks glide smoothly between teeth to effectively remove plaque and debris. Their ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and precise cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Enjoy fresher breath and a healthier smile every day with this innovative, convenient, and effective dental solution. Elevate your drink presentation with our silicone ice ball maker mold. Crafted from food-safe, durable silicone, it effortlessly creates perfectly round ice balls that melt slowly, preserving your beverage's flavor. Ideal for cocktails, spirits, or iced tea. This mold is simple to use and clean. Impress your guests with a touch of sophistication and style every time you serve your drinks. Discover our portable mini self-closing multi-purpose pouch, the ultimate solution for keeping your essentials safe and organized. Compact yet versatile, it locks your items inside securely, ensuring convenience on the go. Perfect for travel, work, or daily adventures. Its innovative design effortlessly blends functionality with style, making it a must-have accessory for anyone looking to elevate their organizational game. Introducing our stainless steel steaming rack, the ultimate addition to your kitchen arsenal. Crafted for durability and efficiency, this versatile rack ensures even steam distribution while cooking healthy, flavorful meals. Perfect for vegetables, seafood, and more. Its robust design is built to last. Elevate your culinary experience with this essential tool, designed to bring out the natural goodness in every ingredient for mouthwatering, nutritious dishes. Enhance your bathroom comfort and hygiene with our innovative toilet seat cover, designed for easy installation and cleaning. This cover provides a fresh, protective barrier, ensuring a cleaner and more pleasant restroom experience. Its sleek design complements any decor while adding a touch of practicality to everyday life. Thank you for joining us on this journey of innovation and style. We hope you found the perfect solution to elevate your daily life and enhance your space. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, and remember to subscribe for the latest trends and exclusive offers. Until next time, keep living beautifully and smartly.